Hi guys, now we in the perimeter road. Fields Avenue, perimeter road with Georgi. We just walk little bit only because we won't go to the Clark playground and somewhere in the Clark. But now only we can walk little bit in the perimeter road, maybe bars open. Oh, it's hotel. I don't know, this is hotel. I will check. Hello, what name is hotel? Oh, it's swimming pool only? But already open or not? Only but swimming pool open, can I see? Renovate. When already finish renovation? When finish renovate? You don't know, don't have workers right now. I remember this good hotel, maybe soon renovate. Okay, thank you. Thank you. I remember this hotel is under renovation right now. This perimeter road bars. Perimeter road, candy bar also. Local drinks only 70 peso. 70 candy bar. It's also candy cafe and restaurant. How much here? Street foods also.
Yeah, street food.
I know.
I'm
You owner?
Yeah.
Oh, you big boss. What you cook now?
I cook pork liver.
It's a sliver?
Yeah.
Fry only. Okay. All fry. You cook all in the fry, yes?
Yeah.
So most of customers, I think, are going from the bar, yes?
Yeah.
So good business. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. What is this? Karaoke also. This is karaoke. ATM. I don't know what is ATM. Working ATM. Working or not? ATM not working. We're talking about billiard. J Fox. Gray Fox Resto Bar. Steelman. Steelman is for guy?
Yeah.
This is for guy? This what name? No, my friend like. I don't like girls, I like guys. joke. That's why I ask him, Steelman. Okay, Georgi, you can take a look. Georgi, you can take a look. I will wait you. Gray Fox Resto Bar. Also here. Apartment. Oh, hello. This is apartment. C and B.
Banana peel and C and B.
So many banana inside maybe. I like banana too. I understand.
Hi vlog, welcome to my hi vlog tuloy.
Oi, dog.
Yeah.
Funny dog. It's My Life Philippines YouTube channel.
I was your YouTube channel.
Yes, you can subscribe. Yeah.
YouTube channel.
Yeah, It's My Life Philippines is together.
It's My Life.
It's My Life Philippines, yes. You can search.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for subscribe. Thank you.
Subscribe, sir.
Okay, thank you. You can see many girls also and guys in my channel. Georgi talking. Are we going to the Clark together? My boyfriend. Joke only, joke. I like joke.
I found it.
I waited. Yes, it's me. Yes, it's me. Yesterday I take video. Every Friday and Saturday I take video in Walking Street. Also my subscriber from USA. But we won't go to Clark. Run, exercise. They say so many girls inside. I never been, I don't know.
Set up, but I went in there. I don't know.
You're not been here. You can try. It's also restaurant. Garfield restaurant. And bar also. Oh, good. Hi.
I hadn't been in there. I've been in here.
You can choose, maybe good. I waiting Georgi. Georgi talking to a girl. Maybe he like girl. I don't know. But we won't go to the Clark. Yes, we won't go to the Clark together. If you want, if you don't like, I not.
I want.
You want? Okay, what is your name?
My name is Laika Biponghitan Paris. I'm from Thailand.
From Thailand, really?
Yes.
When you been in Thailand last time?
No, actually, I never been Thailand.
Never been, but you won't go to Thailand.
I want to go in Thailand.
Thailand is good also. I like Philippines, I like Thailand also.
Promote my bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the new bar.
This is new bar, yes?
Everyone come here and meet Laika and my.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, you show my bar here.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, there.
Grey Fox
Yeah,
Fox
Grey
Resto
Fox.
Bar.
Come everyone and
Yeah.
Grey Fox.
Okay, thank you.
Laika Biponghitan Paris. Yeah. Shit tastes like
You can watch in YouTube channel. It's My Life Philippines.
Really?
Yeah, It's My Life Philippines. It's channel. Many guys watch my channel.
Everyone can see me?
Yes, it's no problem. They want to come to your
Hello,
bar.
everyone! Just help me to improve my bar.
Yes, they go to your bar and will find you. If
Meet me. Just come here in Grey Fox.
Grey Fox, okay.
Yeah, that's my
Okay, thank you. So we will go to the party with my boyfriend. Joke. I like joke, you know. Bye. Georgi, so we're going to the Clark right now, okay? It's good.
One girl shy.
One girl shy, another girl not shy.
Yes.
Hi. Candy bar. We use motor right now and going to the Clark. Special for today. This hotel for renovation. I hope next season this hotel will be open and many people come. Okay, let's go to the Clark.